All right, we're going to have a brick here on how to place a job posting on our job board on all of our websites. To do that, we're going to log into the Mastery Information System. So I've got my login information there. I'm in. And on the main page, I'm going to go and find the job board right here and click on it. And this is all of the entries that we've had, either active or inactive job postings. And we want to look first to see if we've already got a job earlier posted for this particular position, which is a accounts payable administrator. I don't see one on the list, so we're going to have to create a new one. So I'll create a new job entry, and we'll get a blank slate here. I'm not going to give it a reference number. The system's going to do that. The posting date might be the date that we want this thing to post. I'm going to pick today's date, or I could make it start tomorrow, but today the job is going to be accounts payable administrator, and the functional area or the department of the business that it's in the admin administration, spelled that way, accounts payable. And the type of employment, well, it's going to be a part-time job, a permanent part-time job, and we expect it to be about 12 to 16 hours a week. So it's going to be permanent part-time, approximately 12 to 16 hours per week. And the location is going to be at Novi, Michigan. And we'll type in a description. I'll type just a starter here, a small phrase to start it out. Blah, blah. And down here in responsibilities, now I've got a list of responsibilities, and I want to dress it up just a little bit, so I want to have them to be bulleted items. So to do that, I'm going to use some HTML tags. You see here it's suggesting that we could put paragraph breaks in by using the P tag, HTML P tag, but I'm going to use the tag for an unnumbered list, which is a UL. So that's the tag that starts an unnumbered list, and the first item in that list is going to be one line item, so I put a line item tag in there, and now I type in that line. Okay, and the first line is receive, scan, and review, blah, 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 just for time's sake here. I'm going to end this particular line item, and then I'm going to start another line item, a new line item. I guess I might want to fix my spelling. Second item is going to be provide timely blah blah blah, and the end of that. So, and this is not the end of my list, but if it were, I'd just close off the unnumbered list. And so now I've got a bulleted list. Some other requirements, well, I require 2 years experience. That's enough for now, for example. And do we want to display the dates? That is the posting date. Yes, we do. Show applicants how long that job's been up. Active, yes or no? Yes, I'd like it to be active. And I'm going to go ahead and submit it. Now, when I hit submit, it's actually live right now on all of our sites. So I want to very quickly proof it so that if I've made an error, I get that corrected immediately. So I want to go up to one of our sites here. I'll go to mastery.com, and I've gotten to this posting because I went to the jobs link, which is on all the top of all of our websites, top navigation. And here's a listing of all of the jobs, the openings that we have, and sure enough, because it's alphabetized, our listing is on the top of the list, Accounts Payable Administrator. I'll click on that, and this is just to see what an applicant will see. And here's all my information. If you've got any typos, want to fix them obviously right now. Here's our bulleted list. That worked out right, got the tags correct, and everything else looks pretty normal. And it's as simple as that.